It's part 2 of the round pen build. And as you can see, I've gotten the board started. And I'm gonna see how many of them I can get done before the sun goes down. So let me get a few of these up, and then I'll show you how I'm lining them all up, and you all can be critical of how I'm doing it. All right. Okay, so this is about as mathematical as I get. Put a board in, cut off the end, throw a little ledger screw there just to help me out. And then, without messing it up too badly, we'll see if I can do this with one hand. Pick the board up. So, hold it in place. Okay, so once I got my board up, tacked in place, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the end. Even with that new battery, just frustrating me. Okay, got another battery and some more boards. It's too muddy to bring the truck back here right now with all the boards, so I've got to hoof them. That's all right. There are worse ways to spend a Tuesday night. Figure I've got about 20 or 30 more minutes. And so that's what it's looking like so far. Looks level enough, right? Keep going.